Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you'll learn how to create a mapping template for sales vouchers with inventory details in multiple Excel columns. Import the map data into Tally Prime. First, let's see how you can create a mapping template. Let's say you have recorded sales data with inventory details across multiple columns in an Excel file. As you can see, the Excel file has sales voucher details like the party name, invoice value, item name, quantity, item rate, and other necessary details to keep track of your inventory. Let's create a mapping template for the Excel file. Press Alt-O, Import, Manage, Mapping Templates. Under Transactions, Create. From the list of files, select the required Excel file to import that contains your stock items. In this case, select sales voucher details in multiple columns. The list of worksheets will contain all the worksheets in the selected Excel file. Select the one that you wish to map. In this case, select Sheet 1. As you can see, the mapping template creation screen appears. Now, proceed to create the mapping template. By default, the mapping template is saved for all companies in Tally Prime. Enter a name for the mapping template that you are creating, say data in multiple columns. Specify the type of voucher for which you are creating the mapping template, say accounting vouchers. Now, you may have entered data for sales transactions in multiple columns in your Excel file. Since you are importing accounting vouchers, mapping the voucher type name, voucher date, voucher number, ledger name and ledger amount is mandatory for importing into Tally Prime. In the mapping template creation screen, map voucher type name to voucher type, voucher date to date, voucher number to invoice number. If ledgers are spread across multiple columns, use top ledgers and bottom ledgers for mapping. Top ledgers include party, cash, bank, etc. Bottom ledgers include tax, discount, sales account, purchase account, etc. Select top ledger, party, cash, bank, and so on. Select ledger name and map it to the party name column header. Then, select ledger amount and map it to the invoice value column header. Similarly, select ledger amount debit credit, choose specify fixed field value and specify the value as debit. Now, select bottom ledger and map with the respective sales and item masters based on your Excel data. Select ledger name, choose specify fixed field value and specify the value as sales. Then, select ledger amount and map it to the item amount column header. Similarly, map the remaining fields with the respective column values. Similarly, select bottom ledger and map with the respective tax ledgers based on your Excel data. Select ledger name, choose specify fixed field value and specify the value as CGST. Then, select ledger amount and map it to the CGST column header. Select ledger amount debit credit, choose specify fixed field value and specify the value as credit. Lastly, select bottom ledger and map with the respective tax ledgers based on your Excel data. Select ledger name, choose specify fixed field value and specify the value as SGST. Then, select ledger amount and map it to the SGST column header. Select ledger amount debit credit, choose specify fixed field value and specify the value as credit. Once you are done with mapping the fields and column headers, accept the screen to save the template. Now, let's use this mapping template to import your sales vouchers with inventory into Tally Prime in just a few simple steps. Press Alt-O, Import, Transactions. The Import Data screen appears. Select Excel, Spreadsheet as the file format. The file path is prefilled with the location configured under Import. Configuration. Location of import-export files. Under File to Import, select Sales Voucher Details in multiple columns from the list of files. From the list of worksheets, select Sheet 1. From the list of mapping templates, select Data in multiple columns. The type of voucher will be prefilled based on its selection while creating the mapping template. You can preview the data to be imported by enabling the Preview Import Summary. Press I, Import, to proceed with importing your transactions into TallyPrime. Once the transaction data is imported successfully, you can see those transactions in your daybook. As you saw, this is how you can easily create a mapping template for importing sales voucher with inventory in multiple columns